What's the meaning of address book? Address book. Address book. Address book. Address book. Address book. An address book is a collection of contact information for individuals, organizations, or businesses. It typically includes names, phone numbers, physical and email addresses, and other relevant details. The purpose of an address book is to provide a centralized location for storing and accessing contact information. This allows individuals to quickly and easily locate and communicate with the people or entities they need to connect with. Address books can be physical or digital, and are commonly used in personal and professional settings alike. Overall, an address book is a convenient and practical tool for managing and organizing contact information.